Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, my Instagram followers controlled my wash day. Yikes. So if you would like to know how this turned out, if it was a hit or a miss, definitely stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Y'all, my hair is so freaking dirty. It is definitely past due to wash my hair. So y'all already know the drill. I'm about to part my hair. And it is definitely Flake City up in here. Flake City is real. Ooh, y'all, don't be like me. Please don't be like me. I did a wash and go. And like every night I tied my hair up and whatever, but it was one night that I did not tie my hair up and I just threw the bonnet on and I just let my hair sit, and I shouldn't have did that. Okay, so I got this one section here and I'm just gonna drown this section in some water so I can pre-poo before I wash my hair, because y'all know I like to pre-poo before I wash my hair. And I gave my Instagram followers two options, which was the Aussie Moist conditioner and the Mielle Organics overnight hair mask. And this one, and I'm pretty excited that y'all chose this because I haven't used this in a while. If you saw my last wash day, well, yeah, if you saw my last wash day, then y'all know that I've been using the what is it called, the African Pride Prepoo thing, and I've been loving it. So yeah, I've been using that. So since I started using that, I stopped using this conditioner. So I'm actually quite glad that y'all picked this conditioner for me to use. Ooh. Need some water, baby. Yes, I bet my hair is thanking me right now. It is. Ooh, child. So I'm gonna take this conditioner and use it as my pre-poo. I took 2 pumps and I'm just gonna run it on this section here. And I'm gonna finger detangle first before I go in with my detangling tool. Now y'all remember how that section looked before I put this conditioner in it? Now look at my hair. It looked brand new, huh? That looks so good. So what I'm going to detangle my hair with is a detangling brush. I gave y'all the option, the Tangle Teaser and the Felicia Leatherwood brush. And drum roll please.
What?
The Felicia Leatherwood brush won for the detangler, so I'm going to detangle my hair from ends to roots and then twist this section up. Yeah, so so this section is done, and I'm just going to twist it up and throw it out the way and do that for the rest of my hair. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna do the back section off camera and come back once when I get to the top, or one section in the front. I don't know, I'll think about it once when I get there. So I'll be back. Alright y'all, so it is voiceover time. Do not be like me. Always wrap up your hair properly before you go to bed. Don't just throw a bonnet on, especially if you did a wash and go, because your hair gonna be tangled like mine. But that is neither here nor there. So I'm using that conditioner like I stated in the beginning, and I'm just gonna put that all over my hair and then add a little bit of extra water, because you know a little bit of water ain't gonna hurt nobody, you know. And then I'm just gonna finger detangle and detangle with the brush, twist it up, throw it out the way, and continue to do the same thing until I'm done. So far so good. This detangling process is going a-okay. I really miss using this conditioner to detangle my hair. Like, I need to bring her out again whenever I wash my hair. And this brush, bomb. Well, both brushes that I gave my Instagram followers the options to choose from are both bomb. So yeah, definitely check them out. Highly recommend that brush and that conditioner to detangle your hair. I was vibing. I don't know what I was listening to, but baby, whatever it was, I was turned up. But yes, look at these twists. They are so juicy. Now let's go ahead and get into the shower and rinse this hair out with some warm water. If you've seen any of my natural hair wash day videos, then you already know what I'm about to say. If you don't own a shower mirror, go ahead and get you one, because it helps out a lot. So it is time to wash my hair, and I gave my Instagram followers two options: the Mielle exfoliant shampoo and the Trader Joe's tea tree shampoo, and as you all can see, it was a tie. So I decided to use the Trader Joe's tea tree shampoo, and oh my gosh y'all, my scalp felt so good. The tingling sensation from the tea tree oil and the cooling sensation, like, it just felt amazing. So you guys notice that I am focusing that on my scalp because this is a cleansing shampoo. I'm rinsing this shampoo out of my hair, making sure I'm getting all that shampoo out, and then I'm going to twist that section up and then work on the other section off camera, and I'll come back to you all once when it's time for the second shampoo. It's the twist for me. All right, y'all, so if you don't know, your girl like to wash her hair twice, so I am going in with a moisturizing shampoo, and the two shampoo options I gave was the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and the Pattern Beauty Hydrating Shampoo. As you all can see, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey shampoo won, and I'm so glad that y'all chose that because it is my favorite hydrating moisturizing shampoo. And as you all notice, I am putting that shampoo on the whole section. all can see, that shampoo has a really good lather, and I really like seeing the lather in my hair because I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like whenever I see the lather, I think my hair is getting clean. Comment down below if you can relate, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. Y'all want to see a magic trick? Okay, watch this. Boom. Hey y'all, so my hair is into 4 sections and it's time to deep condition. As you guys can see, the main choice did not have a chance in this vote, so I am using the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint deep conditioner. I really like using that deep conditioner. Actually, I wouldn't have had a problem if you guys would have chose the main choice. Both are really good deep conditioners, and I'm just going to take a dime size amount. Yes, that is a dime size in my definition. Don't argue with me, okay? But yes, I'm going to apply that on all the strands of my hair, especially on the ends, because the ends are the oldest part of your hair and it needs some TLC. And I'm going to finger detangle like always, and then twist that section up and work on the other section. Who said black girls ain't got long hair? Who? I wait. To mention this in the beginning, but while I work on each section, I like to drench my hair in some water again before applying the deep conditioner. Some of the water from my hair that has like some of the deep conditioner in it had gotten to my eye, and that was so freaking uncomfortable. So that's why y'all see me with one eye open and one eye closed. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet. Y'all, I cannot do that dance for nothing in the world, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of extra deep conditioner on my edges and kitchen because I don't want the parts to be neglected. So I ran out of plastic caps, but it's time to go back to Old Faithful, which is a plastic bag. So what you want to do is you want to tear the back part in half, make sure it's split. But first, before I give y'all this tutorial, let me put this hair away. The hair is put up, and let's get back to the tutorial. So the 2 sections that you tore, you want to make sure that you have each section in each hand, and then you want to tie it into a knot like so, like that, like my girl Tabitha Brown say. Don't forget to squeeze that air out. So now it's time to apply some heat so the deep conditioner can penetrate your hair strands. And I was hoping that y'all was gonna choose the little bonnet that attached to the blow dryer, but that's okay. That's okay. It was a close race. So I sat underneath my hooded dryer for 30 minutes and rinsed out the deep conditioner with warm water, and it is time to do my Felicia braid so I can stretch my hair. But first, we're going to apply a leave-in conditioner, and the 2 leave-in conditioners that I gave you all the option was Miss Alikae Naturals and Miss Mielle Organics, both black-owned companies, so definitely check them out. But as you all can see, that it was a 50-50 tie. So since I haven't used the Alikae Naturals leave-in conditioner in a while, I decided to use that, and there I go using my Felicia Leatherwood brush again to detangle my hair. So after I finish detangling that section, I'm going to braid it down, and then when I get closer to the ends, I'm going to detangle it a little bit more and then finish the braid and then work on the next section. This wash day was definitely a hit and not a miss, so shout out to everyone on Instagram that participated in those polls that I did. So while I finish my hair, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below what you think my next protective hairstyle is going to be. I would like to know. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers and would love for you to be a part of this journey. So make sure you're subscribing. Also follow me on Instagram. My name will be right in the top left corner, so you can catch any updates that I have about a video, or if you just want to be a part of any fun activities like this one. Your girl is about to do another magic trick, so watch closely now. I don't want you to miss anything. Bippity boppity boop. Alright y'all, don't forget to protect y'all hair before going to bed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.